I was sent this Yousky rechargeable handheld pool vacuum cleaner so I could test it out and see how it works. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box, see everything that it comes with, and then we're going to use it. So this is everything out of the box. You get the vacuum itself. This is the vacuum head at the bottom where you put on the floor of your pool to clean it. It also comes with a scrub brush type of head where you can vacuum up easy corners, things like that. It comes with an extra net because there's already one installed in the unit. It's got a charger, the manual, and it comes with the pool stick. So that's pretty important because we have a different type of pool vac and it didn't come with the stick. You had to use your own. This one actually comes with it. All right, I got it all put together and charged up. Let's try this thing out. Look at all of that it picked up there, and there's still more here. It really picked up quite a bit for that short amount of time that we were cleaning. Just as simple as washing it out with a water hose. We'll be good to go. So yeah, works great, does everything we need it to do. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.